Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well in your life. So in this video, I am going to mentioning about all the resources I have used to learn SQL for data analytics in a very short time span of a time. So I dedicated only 20 days to master SQL, and I will be sharing the tricks that help me to learn it quickly. So if you follow it, you will be learning SQL rapidly. So please keep watching. So one thing I want to mention is that I'll be focusing on free resources I have used to learn data analytics tools such as Power BI, Tableau, but in a separate video. This one is entirely dedicated to SQL. So keep watching till end. So as everybody knows, SQL is a crucial for data analytics field. To switch careers, you must master this skill, starting by learning the basic syntaxes, including joins, groups, group bys, and all the functions. So I used full course available on YouTube one from Edureka 3 hours video and another from IntelliPad. It was all about 10 hours video. So by only watching videos it is not enough. Okay, so I started practicing on W3 school, which was very easy, and to challenge myself I moved to SQL online practice. Link will be given in the description. So I practiced from easy to tough levels, and I highly recommended this platform to anyone learning SQL. So this is SQL Bolt. To further enhance my skills, I went to HackerRank and solve all the queries given on the platform. If you have time, you can also go for Geeks for Geeks. It is also an excellent platform to learn to practice SQL online. So this approach significantly improved my SQL skills. So if you follow a similar path, you will be learning SQL quickly. I have also learned other skills, but I will cover those in the separate video, and this is all about this video. So that concludes this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and we will see you in the next video. So till that, take care. Bye bye.